Hey boys and girls, this is Miss Lassiter. I'm going to show you how to use Google Classroom while you're at home. You're going to have lots of assignments coming to you next week and you're going to need to turn those in. The easiest way to do that is going to be using our Google Classroom that we set up at the beginning of the year. So when you're at home and you're on your device, you're going to go to google.com and then you're going to click Sign In. You're going to choose your email address or type in your email address just like you do to get on the computers here at school. And remember, your password is your birthday. Once you get signed in, you'll click on the window panes and you'll go to Google Classroom. Yours will probably look a little bit different right here, but you'll have our classroom pop up right here. So you'll click on Miss Lassiter's class or your teacher's classroom. And here is our class. We will post all of your assignments on this page. You'll be able to turn them in. You'll be able to send us messages, watch videos, and all sorts of things. If you have any questions, you can contact me on Class Dojo. See you soon.